Hello YouTube, this is a little tip for me. When I'm trying to grind down little pieces like this, don't mind the buzz of the grinder. I'm not turning it off, it'll take forever. But I'm trying to get these pieces all one length. So in order to line them up and hold them on the thing, I just put them on a magnet and they just stay right here. So when you grind one, you take one off, grind it, just stick it right on there. Then when you're done, just take it with you. Don't mind this, there's other shit making it. There's other stuff vibrating. It's actually not the grinder. It's the stuff leaning on it that's grinding on it. So yeah, anyway, that's my little, see? You just grab it, put it on there so you don't drop it on the floor. This is my little baldor in use. I'll show you some more.